We've had our fair share of brandjacking, and I think the keys are to make sure that you're monitoring constantly so that within a few minutes you can have some type of indication that it's happened, and you have to jump right into the news cycle, because if a reporter is getting ready to publish and they reach out to you and you are not available to them and you don't have enough information to correct whatever it is that's happened, you'll miss it. Inaccuracies will be published and you'll be perpetuating whatever the incorrect piece of information is. So I think it's just about speed, monitoring, getting out there and correcting the record. And as you do that and build trust over time, if folks read things about your brand that seem to be different from what they expect from you, I think they'll give you a little bit of a pass or a moment to sort of respond and correct things over time as you build an increasing amount of trust. Sometimes the legal team, with the best interests of the company in mind, can really take over. And they want to mitigate and shrink the amount of risk that a company is going to take. So that's their main call to action for the company. That's the role that they serve. The role we serve is to protect the broader reputation, which over time is, we all know, the most valuable asset for any company. And so I think when companies don't say I'm sorry, a lot of the times it may be very well intended that the lawyers are trying to mitigate risk, or that maybe the company doesn't feel that it was their fault. Maybe somebody else caused the issue. But to us, if it's impacting your customers and it wasn't the experience you wanted for them, it is your fault at the end of the day. And you've got to start with, I'm sorry. You've got to start with taking care of the customers.